Hey, it's Angeline. Today I have a really fun and exciting video, and it is the new Unity Deco Fall toner card fronts, and it is so pretty. So I'm starting off with the Whip Kit card kit here for the sentiment, and here is the new toner card front, which is the Flowers Divine here, or Divine. Okay, so I'm starting off with this one and the Prima Pastel Dreams watercolor. Sorry for the blur. And surprise, surprise, yes, you can watercolor your toner card front. So if you want to use watercolors on your toner card fronts, you have to color them before you fold them, because I guess it is better so that it doesn't disrupt the foiling with the water. So I've already tested this and it works well if you color them before you fold. So here I am just doing some spring pastel colors and just enjoy the watercoloring. If you want to skip it, go straight to the time shown on the screen right now. So once the coloring is done, here I'm grabbing the Deco Fall in gold, and I've already cut a piece to cover up my entire card front. Remember to place it pretty side up. I've also sandwiched it between a scrap of paper here to go through my mini ink machine. You can also use a laminator if you do not have this machine. So next, just peel off the fall carefully off your toner card front. Just keep that negative aside first, and just check out how pretty the added fall is to your card. So next, I'm going to assemble the cards here. I'm just going to do some simple adhesive to the back of my toner card front and just placing that onto my card base. Then just trim off the excess and just add on the sentiment, which I've also added some foam tape right behind. So for the negative here, I'm using the Thermal Web XL tape runner, which is kind of cool and different from other kinds of adhesive because you will not see the adhesive via the empty spaces on the fall, so it kind of looks transparent. So just use your fingers to press the fall down and trim off the excess and just add on the sentiment to your card. And here are two simple cards that you can make using just one toner card front and a piece of foil. So here are my finished cards. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!